Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela. Thank you for stopping by today. So in today's video, we're actually going to be doing the one hair product, curly hair product challenge, which means I can only use one product for my conditioner, styling, detangling. So that is what we are going to do today. I've only washed my roots out. This is what my hair is looking like. I'm obviously looking like a wet poodle. So that is what my hair is looking like. So this challenge means it's basically dedicated to curly hair girls on a budget. I understand and totally get it that curly hair products can be quite expensive, and no one's got time to be spending on expensive curly hair products when cheaper products actually can work as well. So today we're going to be using the Maui Moisture Curl Quench and Coconut Oil Curl Milk. So hopefully you can see that. But it comes in their little orange bottle, and I've never used this product before, so I hope that it works because I'm doing some filming tomorrow as well. But this is for thick curly hair to hydrate, smooth, and defrizz. So it is a pretty good consistency. This is really good for your hair. No paraben, sulfates, silicone, dyes, vegan, eco-friendly, all that good stuff. So this is what I'm going to be using. Hopefully it works, and I'm going to film the process so that you can watch me do so. Alright, so I'm taking the bottle, and I'm actually don't really section off my hair. I kind of do, kind of don't. So yeah, we're just going to test this out. So it's like a thick white consistency. Ooh, that smells so good actually. It's like a coconutty floral scent, so it actually smells really good. But I feel like I'm going to need quite a bit of this to work. Alright, so I've put the product all throughout my hair. So that is what we are looking like. So I'm going to let my hair air dry, diffuse, and then probably just going to put it in a bun with my silk bonnet and go to sleep because I worked 9 hours today and I am tired. So I just hope that it looks good in the morning, and I will see you in the morning. Hey guys, so we are back. It is the next morning. I've been up a little bit, ate breakfast, took Ava out, which Ava, if you did not know, is my newly rescued pit bull mix. I got her a couple weeks ago, so I took her out, cleaned up the apartment a little bit. So now we are going to do the final reveal of what my hair looks like. I haven't looked at it, haven't fluffed it out or anything, so we're just gonna see how this goes. So okay, I mean, it doesn't look terrible. If you can, like, I do have really good definition right now, which is nice. So I do have my little water bottle, not water bottle, it's a spray bottle, and of course I have to have a pick. You always have to have a pick. So I'm going to wet my hair a little bit and try to fluff it out a little bit and give it some more definition, some more volume, and just lift it up. Oh, I should have used warm water. And when I like to pick my hair, I actually go at the roots and pick it and don't do too much. I do have a little bit of knotting, but it's not terrible, but it's definitely there. And I have no direction when I do this. I literally just put my hair up and put my comb in there. And that is what I do. That's actually looking pretty good. Can we talk about that? Like, okay. Obviously, I need to get a trim because these little curls are like extra long for some reason. That's okay. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. So these are my final results, and I actually really do love the way my hair turned out. Let me know if you guys want to see a $20 curly hair challenge or some other curly hair challenges, because I know that curly hair products can be really expensive, but as you can see, you don't need a $20 conditioner or styling cream to get really good results. And so yeah, I'm really loving the results. I think it looks pretty good. And that bottle was, I think, $8 from Ulta, so not bad at all. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. As always, stay beautiful, stay unique, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.